Hey there, if you're looking to buy a home in La Crescenta and want to make sure your offer stands out, you're in the right place. This market can be competitive, but with the right approach, you can set yourself apart and land a home you love. I'm James Yu, a local real estate agent who's helped many buyers successfully navigate the La Crescenta housing market. I've seen buyers get discouraged in multiple offer situations, but I've also seen how the right strategy can make all the difference. Now, let's talk about what it takes to write a winning offer. Recently, I worked with a family who kept getting outbid. We adjusted their approach, fine-tuned their offer, and they finally secured their dream home. Sometimes it's not about offering the most money, although it helps. It's about making your offer the most attractive overall. So how do you decide on how much to offer? It starts with understanding the market. Your agent should provide a market analysis comparing the home you want with recent sales and current listings. A common mistake? Assuming you should always offer below asking price. In a competitive market like La Crescenta, that approach could mean missing out. On the other hand, if a home is overpriced, there may be room to negotiate. Knowing the numbers is key to making a smart, competitive offer. One way to make your offer more appealing is by adjusting your inspection contingency. A shorter inspection period or even waiving it can give the seller confidence that your offer won't fall apart over small details. If you're comfortable, consider doing a pre-inspection before submitting your offer. This way you can identify any deal breakers up front while showing the seller you're very serious. In a competitive market, homes sometimes sell above appraised value. That's where planning for an appraisal gap comes in. Work with your lender to see if you can structure your down payment to cover potential shortfall. Having this flexibility can make your offer much stronger and prevent delays in closing. Don't worry if this sounds all complicated, that's what I'm here for. I help my clients navigate these situations all the time. In La Crescenta, homes often sell fast. If you're up against multiple offers, an escalation clause can give you an edge. This automatically increases your offer up to a set limit if competing bids come in higher. Using this strategy can help you stay competitive without overpaying right away. It's a great tool when used correctly, and I can guide you through how to leverage it. Another way to make your offer stand out is by offering a short free rent back period. Sometimes sellers may need extra time to move, and giving them that flexibility without additional costs can be a game changer. It's all about understanding the seller's needs and structuring your offer accordingly. That's where working with a local expert makes all the difference. Winning in this market isn't just about offering the highest price, it's about crafting a smart, well-structured offer. From understanding the market value to planning for appraisal gaps and using strategic incentives, these tactics can help you secure your next home. With that said, if you're thinking about buying a home in La Crescenta, let's chat. I would love to help you find and win the right home for you. Reach out anytime.